my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Diona, and in this video I'm going to be installing a wig that I got from Klaiyi hair. All the information for this hair, of course, will be in the description box below. So the wig that I'm installing today is their 24-inch 7x5 glueless bye-bye knots wig. If you've been on my channel lately, you know I've been doing quite a few bye-bye knots wig reviews because I absolutely love those wigs. Those are my absolute favorite, and basically what that means is that they bleach the knots for you. So this is what the knots look like. They also pre-pluck the hairline for you so that you don't have to do that. And this is a water wave texture that this hair comes in, and it is 180 density. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like. So they cut the lace for you, they bleach the knots. Only thing you have to do is slide this thing on your head. The inside of the wig has 2 combs on the sides, an elastic band here, and then also this film around the outside of the wig to keep it from slipping and sliding on your head. So really quickly, inside the box they give you a cute dust bag to store your wig, and you also get a pouch here that has a wig cap, an edge band, and lashes, and then they also give you another edge band and some clips. So all the things that you need to help you maintain your hair. So if you want to see how I install this wig and how simple it is, you gotta keep on watching. So surprise, surprise, I don't have my hair braided or anything. I actually am about to do tape-ins in a little while, so my hair is kind of like poofed up on the inside. So I just washed and blow dried it, and I've been sitting on this for like a couple days. So instead of like doing braids or anything, I'm actually going to show you, like if you're bad at braids like I am, I'm going to show you another way that you can install your wigs without having to braid your hair. Now I'm not going to put product on my hair because again I'm going to be doing tape-ins in a little bit and I don't want product, but you absolutely can put product on your hair to help slick it back. But I'm not going to do that, and I'm going to show you that the wig will still lay flat with hair like this just going into a low ponytail. So I'm just taking my brush and brushing back my edges. This is that hard bristle brush that your mama used to use on your hair back in the day. Yeah, this thing is tearing up my edges, but it works. So I'm using my brush, brushing my hair back, and I'm just taking a ponytail holder and I am just slicking this into a low ponytail. Yeah, it's a little poofy right here, and I'm gonna lay that down with some bobby pins. But for now, I'm just doing a little mini bun like this. This is what my bun looks like in the back. So now I'm just taking a couple of bobby pins and just helping my hair lay flat. This is the complete lazy way to do it, let me just tell you. This is I don't feel like doing nothing with my hair, so I'm just gonna do whatever. That's what this is, because I do not feel like doing anything with my hair. I'm not gonna put in a whole bunch of braids just to have to take them out. We're not doing that. So I'm just gonna take the wig cap that they gave me, just a sheer wig cap. Take it like this. I just do this to stretch it out some, and I'm just sliding it over my head, and then I'm gonna pull it back some, just like this. And now to color the wig cap, I'm just taking my cream makeup from Ruby Kisses and a flat top brush just like this, and I'm just running it all along the front. I used to use a lot of lace tint, but I felt like that was making the hair and the wig look orangey, so I'm sticking more with cream makeup because this looks more my natural color. And maybe it's because I was getting the lace tint in the wrong color, y'all, but I like how my installs come out better when I just use the cream makeup. So that's the cream makeup, and then this is the wig. Now to install the wig itself, you're literally just sliding it on your head. There's nothing to it. I would recommend maybe just like adjusting the wig band in the back and make sure it fits your head, like it's not too tight or whatever. But besides that, you just slide it on. period. So I've slid it on, and it is that simple. That simple. Now, if you are in a rush, like me, you can honestly just slide it on like this and go. The wig is very sturdy. I only use the comb in the back, and I'm shaking my head like this, and of course it's glueless and it's not going anywhere. And also, this is what it looks like in the back. So you can see, you don't see any like lumps or bumps or anything. And my bun for my hair is like right here, but like the wig actually made it flat, so it's like it doesn't look bulky or anything. It just looks like a regular wig, and looks like this. And this is literally how easy it is to slide on this wig. So now if you want to like head out like this and do it like this, you absolutely can. You don't have to do anything else. But me, I do want to style the wig just a little bit. As you can see here, it's a 7x5, and the way my hairline is, like you can see, like of course my edges on the sides. So I'm going to take down some baby hairs in this wig, and I'm also going to like define the curls some, just so you know it looks like I did a little something to it, didn't just wear it out the box. Yeah, so I'm just going to style it a little bit. All right, so next I'm just going to be defining the curls, and to do that I'm going to be using a couple of things. First, I'm using my Cream Nature Pure Honey mousse. This mousse just helps define the curls and make it soft. Then I'm going to be going over on top with my gloss and also my spray bottle. So I'm just going to split my hair in half and get this side completely drenched. And using my brush, I'm going through the curls. I think this is like a dipping brush. I believe it has like metal prongs on it. So I'm just going through my curls like this. And then after that, I'm following up with my mousse. And I'm gonna be scrunching the hair pretty much, because it's a water wave, so you want to do like a scrunching motion to help like make the curls more defined. This is what the texture is looking like. You just want to scrunch, 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 and then just gonna do the same thing to the other side. And then after I do that, I'm just going to diffuse my curls with my hair dryer on the cool setting, just to dry my hair pretty much and define the curls. Alright, so now my curls have been diffused. They're still just a little damp, but as I'm like finishing up the rest of the styling, they're gonna dry completely. But for now, I'm gonna take my Got To Be Free spray, and I'm putting it along my parting, just so I can go in with my my hot comb and just like define the parts. And one thing I like about the pre-plucked knots, or the pre-bleached knots, is that they already bleach it white enough, so I really don't need to use any concealer or anything on my parts. So I am almost done. Just the last thing I'm gonna do is just take some more of my cream makeup and just wipe it along where the lace is for this hair so that the lace blends in with like my scalp. And then I'm just gonna take my gloss therapy polisher spray from Afoji and spray that over my hair. With this, a little bit goes a long way because it will really make your hair shiny. That's the point, but you don't want it to like feel greasy. You just want like a light spritz. This is the finished look. My curls are nice and fluffy. This is what the hair looks like. And also one more thing I want to point out, if you wanted to wear your hair as a side part, you absolutely can. What I like to do is like the flip over method like this. I'll flip it over like to either side. I'm not gonna flip it over too much because again, like you can see my edges right here because of my my hairline, but I just flip it over just a little bit so like this is covered, and then I could just flip it over in the front, and then it's like you have a side part. So you can wear a middle part, side part, however you want. Yeah, it's really cute. And this literally took 10 minutes. I'm like literally rushing because I have things to do after this, and I did not have all day to do my hair, and I literally got it done in like 10 minutes, even with doing my baby hairs and everything. It did not take a long time at all. Absolutely love these wigs. This one is nice and soft and pretty. And yeah, go check it out. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.